What's up guys, welcome back to another ab workout. It's Carabella, your instructor. Today we're gonna be doing 6-pack ab workout. So basically we're gonna be working the lower, upper, and obliques together. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and follow along. I'm gonna start with the upper abs first. First exercise, we're gonna do a balanced crunch. This is the position for the balanced crunch. Put your hand on your stomach and put your hand on your head, and you're just going to crunch, just like this. And we're gonna do 3 sets of 10. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and start. There you go, that's 10. Go ahead and take 30 seconds to stretch out. If you're feeling it already right here, go ahead and put your arms back and kind of give that area a little stretch. You can go like this and then back, whatever it feels good to you. I'm gonna go ahead and get into set 2. We're doing 3 sets so you can go at your own pace. That is the second set of 10, 30-second break. Breathe, chill, check your phone, whatever you gotta do. Third set, hands where they're supposed to go, and this next exercise is called the leg pull, and the trick to this exercise is getting your lower back and butt off the ground. So this is the technique. We're gonna go like this, up. You kind of see how my butt is off the ground a little bit, and then legs out, legs up. Put your hands on your mat. Don't put your hands underneath your butt because that's cheating. You're giving yourself a little bit of a push. So whenever you guys are ready, 3 sets of 15, let's get it. Good job, that's 15 right there. Take 30 seconds to just breathe, just stretch, whatever you need. If this workout is too hard for you, just go ahead and keep your legs in and just rock. Just like that. So, totally up to you which one you wanna do, but it can be painful if you haven't done these before, so just go at your own pace. Whenever you guys are ready, go ahead and start set 2. Good job. Take a 30-second break, and then we'll get into set 3. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and start set 3. Good job, guys. That's 3 sets. Now we're gonna move into our lower abs. This next exercise, we're gonna be doing bent knee raises, and what you are gonna do is lay back, and you wanna bend your knees and then raise them up. Bend your knees and raise them up. 3 sets of 15, so whenever you're ready, go ahead and raise your legs up and start. Good job. Take a 30-second break. Getting started on set 2. Bring your legs up. Good job. 30-second break, and then we'll get into set 3. Last set, you guys. Let's get it. All right, this next workout for the lower abs is going to be toe touchers, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your legs up in the air, and it might not be comfortable, so you can bend your legs, don't feel bad about that, and then just wanna touch your toes, reach for your toes, just like that. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10, so whenever you're ready, go ahead and start. All right, go ahead and get into set 2. Bring your legs up, crisscross, and reach for your toes. Go back down, take a 30-second break. Last set, bring your legs back up and do your thing. Now we're moving on to obliques. This next workout is called the oblique crunch, and we're gonna do 3 sets of 12 on each side of your obliques. So what you wanna do is you wanna lay on your side, bend your knee right here on this leg laying down the mat, and then bend your knee on this side as well. Put your arm on your belly, the one that's on the ground, and then put your other arm on your head, and you just wanna lift your body up. Oh, my voice. And you just wanna lift your body up. Let me show you. Just like that, along with your body. Like the way that your body is going, just crunch up with your body. I can't even talk while I'm like trying to do the exercise. Just go ahead and crunch in the direction that your body is laying. Don't try to crunch inward or crunch any other type of way. Just literally go like this and back down. And you're gonna feel it right here. You're gonna feel this area tightening up. and then loosening up. So whenever you guys are ready, we're gonna do 3 sets of 12 on the right side, and then I'll flip over and do 3 sets of 12 on the left side. So whenever you're ready, go ahead and start. Take a 30-second break. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and do set 2. Second break. All right, whenever you're ready, go ahead and start the last set. Go ahead and switch sides. My hair probably looks crazy. Don't come for me. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and start set 2. So for this last exercise for the obliques, you're going to put your legs up like this. Kind of put them a little bit away from your body though, like let them hover out here. Put your hands behind your ears and bring your elbow to your knee. 1, 2. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10. Whenever you guys are ready, go ahead and start. Go ahead and take a 30-second break. Go ahead and take a 30-second break and then get into your last set. Alright guys, so those are some ab exercises that you can use to get a six-pack. Like I said, we targeted lower, upper, and obliques. You kind of need all 3 to build a six-pack. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos. And I'll see you guys in my next workout. Bye!